What's up, my adventure-loving friends? Pacific Northwest hiker here. I'm in the Mount Hood National Forest in Oregon, and I've got a great video for you today. I got my drone with me because I'm going to be taking the High Prairie Trail to Lookout Mountain, where we should have some pretty sweet and in-your-face views of Mount Hood and the surrounding forest. Now, I did this hike last year, and the weather started out pretty good, but by the time I got to Lookout Mountain, there was just way too much haze and cloud cover that I could barely make out Mount Hood and the surrounding forest. But this year we have much better weather, much better visibility. So I'm really glad that I'm going to be able to see the views that I wasn't able to last year. All right, guys, you don't want to miss it. Pacific Northwest. Let's go. All right, guys, we made it top of Lookout Mountain, and yeah, just incredible views up here. And talk about an in-your-face view of Mount Hood right behind me. What a great view. I'm gonna try and get some nice shots with my drone, and yeah, just enjoy my time up here. All right, guys, there you have it. High Prairie Trail to Lookout Mountain. If you enjoyed those views of Mount Hood, give the video a like. And I'm so glad that I had such great weather this year compared to last year, where there was just so much haze and cloud cover I could barely make out Mount Hood. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, because I want you to continue to adventure with me in the beautiful Pacific Northwest. And once I hit 1,000 subs, I'm going to be having some free hiking gear giveaways. So let's get the subs up so you can win some free stuff. All right, I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you on my next adventure.